In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send email in Apollo.io. This is an efficient tool that many professionals use to streamline their digital communication, and today I'll walk you through the process easily and effectively. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser. Whether you prefer Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser is entirely up to you. So go with the one you're most comfortable using. Now, let's move on to the next step. In the search bar of your chosen browser, type in apollo.io. This will take you to the official website. Once there, look for the login option, where you have two choices for access. You can either log in with your email or use the SSO option, depending on what your organization or personal preference supports. Both options are straightforward and secure. After you've logged in, you'll see a dashboard with several features. We're focusing on creating a new email sequence today. So, go ahead and click on New Sequence. This will bring up a menu of options for you to create a sequence customized to your needs. You can either create one from scratch for complete control or choose AI-assisted for guided suggestions. There's also a pre-formatted option if you need something standard, or you can clone an existing sequence if you have one that needs tweaking rather than building a new. It's all about what fits your requirements best. After selecting your preferred sequence type, it's essential to give it a descriptive name. This makes it easier to locate later on and ensures you stay organized. Next, you'll set the specific times and days when these emails will be sent out. This feature is highly beneficial for targeting your recipients, ensuring your emails land when they're most likely to be opened and read. Don't forget to add your contacts at this stage to ensure that your sequence is ready to reach the right audience. Now, the sequence steps are crucial. They can include various actions like sending emails, making phone calls, or even sending LinkedIn connection requests. These steps help automate your outreach and maximize engagement with your contacts. Once you have your steps mapped out, it's time to focus on the email content. Craft your message carefully, paying attention to tone and clarity to ensure that your purpose is clear and engaging for your recipients. Finally, it's all about scheduling and activating your sequence. Double-check the timings and your list to ensure everything is accurate. When you are ready, activate the sequence, and there you have it. You are all set with your email sequence in Apollo.io. It's an efficient way to enhance your communication efforts. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Happy emailing!